I love strawberries, whether I eat them like that or whether I make them into a milkshake or make them into a lassi or whatever, but I just simply love them. But today I am going to make strawberry milkshake. I have washed the strawberries first and then I am going to clean them. I have washed the strawberries first, then I'm going to use a straw to take the stem out. So insert the straw from the bottom like that. And there you go. So all the stem has come out. Do another one. Similarly, push the straw through. There we go. Push the straw through, and there you go. Insert the straw at the bottom, push it through. There you go. Cut them into little pieces so my zit can cutting them into little pieces so that my blitzer can easily blitz these. Nice knife. I'm not cutting that, I'm eating that. They're all done now. Let's put them into my favourite jug. My favourite jug's out, so I'm going to put these strawberries in there. I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons of sugar in. Hey, the zit's come out, so let's zit it. I just called it zit once and I think the name stuck, so here's my zit. I'm going to just blend it with this. I'm blending it before I put the milk in because I want to purify this first. If I put it with the milk, it just splash it everywhere. So before the milk goes in, I'm just going to blitz it. Just make sure there's no bits left. Going to put some milk in. And give it a whiz. I'm going to put some more milk in it. What's left now is to pour it into a glass and have a drink. Oh, just wait, let me just run outside and get my mint from my garden. Yes, sir. Ready to drink? Let's have a taste. Beautiful. I hope you make it as well. It's very tasty, especially in this warm weather that we're having and going into the summer. It's a nice, cool, refreshing drink. And if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment as to how it was turned out for you. Until tomorrow, goodbye.